Thinking scientifically in everyday life. Many people believe that science only belongs in laboratories, used by doctors or researchers. But in fact, we use scientifically based thinking every day, often without even noticing it. When you compare two products to see which one lasts longer, you're thinking scientifically. When you test a recipe to find out which ingredients taste better, you're using a form of experiment. Even checking the weather forecast before choosing your clothes is connected to scientifically collected data. To think scientifically means to ask questions, look for evidence, and test ideas logically. It helps us avoid false assumptions and make better decisions. For example, if you read that a new diet works wonders, a scientific thinker won't believe it right away. They'll look for facts, studies, and expert opinions. Unfortunately, in the age of social media, many opinions are shared as if they were facts. Learning to think scientifically helps us tell the difference between what is proven and what is just someone's belief. You don't need to be a scientist to think scientifically, you just need to stay curious, ask questions, and look for reliable information. It's one of the best tools for making sense of a complex world.